Finally, your creation's ready to be rinsed.
Take your shirt out of the bag and start running cold water on it. While rinsing, you might feel like you're losing a lot of dye, but don't worry because the color has already set in at its maximum potential. Next, you can take the rubber bands off of your t-shirt so you can get a sneak peek at what it'll look like, and you can finish wringing it out. Make sure you wring your shirt out until the water runs clear.
Now it's time to put your shirt in the wash machine to rinse it completely. Use a tiny amount of the detergent of your choice. We use Woolite because we think it preserves the colors in the shirt best. Make sure that you're washing your shirts with cold water, and then leave it to air dry.